So this is going to be how to solve a linear system using the elimination method. And what you're looking for to solve this system is that you need to find the variables x or y that have common coefficients. And what I mean by common is that they have the same number, but one is opposite and one is, so they're opposite. So one would be negative, one would be positive. So in this case, you're trying to eliminate a variable. So what you do is that you're going to add down. Now in this case, we look at the coefficient of x is 4 and negative 2, so they have nothing in common. And then our y values, one is a negative 3 and one is a positive 3. So if you think about negative 3 plus 3 gives you 0, and you can't have 0 y's, so it would just end up eliminating itself. So right now we're ready to go because of the fact that negative 3 plus 3 cancels, so we'd be left with 0. And if we took 4 plus a negative 2 is going to be 2x. Negative 3y plus 3y is going to be 0. I'm going to bring down that equal sign, and we have 5 plus a negative 7 is going to give me a negative 2. We're going to divide by 2 on both sides. So we get x is equal to negative 1. Now, after you figure out one of the variables, the next step is to always re-substitute that number back into the equation to figure out your other variables. So in this case, I'm going to use the first equation. So it's 4. Now I know my x is negative 1, and I'm going to do minus 3y equals 5. Now I'm going to solve for y because that's what I'm trying to find. So I'm going to do 4 times negative 1, which is negative 4, minus 3y equals 5. I'm going to add 4 on both sides because I'm using my inverse. And I'm going to bring down that negative 3y is equal to 5 plus 4, which is going to give me 9. I divide by negative 3 on both sides. So I get y equals negative 3. Now, I have to write my solution point. So I have negative 3 comma, or negative 1 comma negative 3. Because negative 1 is my x value, negative 3 is my y value.